I come in here and I open up Premiere. Okay, so I'm going to go File, New Project. First thing it's going to ask me is to name my project. So we'll call it Good Feet ECVHS Promo. Okay? And it's going to tell me where do I want the computer to put all my project, right? I'm going to put it on this hard drive. So I want everything going back to that same hard drive. So I choose that. That's where everything's going to go. So here we are. Here's our project, right? So now I'm sitting here with my project, and I have nothing in it. Okay, this is where all my media is, and I have nothing there. So you right-click, and you start making bins, okay? So we know one of our bins is what? All of our raw media, right? Remember from our hard drive? Now we want these to kind of match what was happening on the drive, right? So we know we have project files and music and media and graphics and exports and voiceover. So now all I'm doing is going in and making that happen in my bins so they all match up. Okay, so I'm going to do another bin in here. That's my graphics. I'm going to make another bin, graphics, voiceover. I'm going to make another bin for my sequences. Sequences is every time you come down here and make a sequence in here, you want your sequences to all be in one folder. One of them was music. So then I want to make sure that my media has the same kind of organization that my hard drive did. I'm going to make some new bins in my media folder. Okay, I'm just going to make a bunch of bins right here because I know I shot for 3 days. This bin is going to be, I think the first day was 03, 03, 17. My next day was 03, 04, 17. Or you can make these the same way we did our 6-digit code. You can go like that too. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this media in here, right? So I know that in 03 I had different people, right? I know that I had Anna on that day. And then I know we had some other people, but for Anna, I know we had 3 cameras, right? So I'm going to go Anna, camera B, Anna, camera C, right? So now we know we have Anna, camera A, B, C. So now I'm going to bring this stuff in here. You guys probably already know how to do this, right? Oh, look, I didn't label this one right. Anna, camera A. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my media and I'm going to import it, right? I'm going to look for Anna, camera A. And it's easy because I already know. I'm just going to go to my media that's all labeled right here. I'm going to go to 3.3. I'm going to look for Anna. And I'll bring all this in. Okay, so now I got Anna, camera A. That's camera C. So now I know my camera B is in there, my camera C is in there, my camera A is in there, and I got Anna all in there on 3.3. And so you can see down here, see this? When you bring stuff into Premiere, it needs to build peaks and kind of, see how it says generating peak file? It's just assimilating everything into the editor. So sometimes it might be kind of hard to edit when it's generating these peaks. Sometimes it'll glitch out on you and the computer won't work right. Sometimes if you let it get through this, it'll be a little bit smoother. And so now I have this dock kind of like moving around like this. I kind of want to put it into one of these boxes. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to stick it up here. Okay, so now that I've done all this, now that I have all these folders set up right here, I want to make sure that like I don't lose all that. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to save. So now that I have everything saved right there, I'm going to start bringing my stuff down into my timeline because I kind of want to start editing now. So I'm going to go into 3.3. I'm going to go Anna, camera A. When I get my files off of my memory card, okay, it doesn't look like this. Each file doesn't look like this. I go through, you have to do all of this labeling. So you got to just be prepared to like go in and even label all your media out of the camera first. That's going to totally help you. So it really helps to have everything labeled. So the first thing you want to do, get all your media and label all your media. Put all your media into folders that are all labeled, and then set up your project so that everything in the project is also labeled. You're going to save so much time on everything. If everything's labeled, your project's going to go way faster. So just accept in your mind that the first day is going to be just organizing your folders and labeling your media and getting everything tight, so that the next day you come and you can start editing and you're an ace and you got everything in the hole and everything's running perfectly.